Hello everyone, subscribe and like because this one you're really gonna like it. What are we doing? We're doing some mayo chicken. Mayo chicken. Yeah, you heard it right. So what do we need? We need some chicken thighs here. I like chicken thighs because they're moist, but you can use chicken breast if you want. So we'll want to put our chicken thighs here, and we're just gonna put some mayonnaise right on top of them. Just put mayonnaise all over the thighs, and I mean it. I mean put mayonnaise. Slather this with mayonnaise all over, like a nice thick layer of mayonnaise, just like that. Look at that, how beautiful that is. So mayonnaise all over it, front and back. So you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And we're gonna use this mixture of salt and pepper, 50-50. Here you have just plain salt and pepper in a 50-50 mix. And you're just gonna season this to your taste all over the thighs. And just to your taste. I'm gonna add a little bit of color here with my sazon. You don't have to do that, but I like the color that comes out at the end when you put this reddish color all over it. So you can use sazon Goya that comes in little envelopes, or this type of sazon that has that red color in there. I'm gonna cook this on my indoor grill because it is cold outside. It's winter time, so it is really cold outside. So I put it here in medium. If you don't have a grill indoor that has temperature, then try to do your best. But I like it cooking medium temperature. So I'm gonna spray some of that all over, and I'm just gonna go straight on the grill here with my thighs. And you'll see, you'll just put them all in there, and we're gonna close the lid here, and we're gonna let this cook for about 10 to 15 or 10 to 12 minutes. That depends on your grill. But the best way to know, this is how they look. The best way to know how they are actually cooked is with a thermometer like this. So you want to make sure that your chicken is above 180. So in this case, I have 190, 200. I have well 200. So the chicken should be over 180 because you cannot eat chicken that is raw. So you just make sure that it's cooked all the way. So I check them all, and they are. And now you're thinking, what am I gonna do with all this mayo chicken here? So I'm gonna chop this up, and in my case here, I'm gonna make some taquitos here. You can eat them any way you want. You can eat them alone. You can eat them with a sandwich. You can eat them any other way, with mashed potatoes. In this case, I'm gonna chop them up just like that, and I'm gonna be putting this back on the grill. I'm gonna put some cheese over it, but I'm gonna put them back on the grill so it all melts over my chicken. So I put my chicken, my chopped chicken now here, my mayo chicken here on the grill, and I'm gonna put 2 nice slices of Munster cheese. I like this Munster cheese. You can use Swiss, you can use American, white, yellow, sharp cheddar, whatever. But I like this one. And look at that. Look how beautiful this cheese is all melted over our chicken here. And this is ready for any way you want to eat it. I'm gonna have here some fresh tortillas here, the small ones. There's 3 tacos. These are flour tortillas. I'm gonna put some hot sauce in the bottom. If you don't like hot sauce, then don't put hot sauce. It's just something. This is simple. If you don't like it, don't put it. But this is my recipe, so I'm gonna put some hot sauce. I'm gonna put some spinach also on top of it, and this is gonna be the bet for my chicken. So hot sauce, spinach, and the chicken there with the melted cheese all over. And I'm gonna put more hot sauce. Why not? Why not? It's me. I'm gonna eat it. So now we're gonna roll this really tight. So you gotta make sure that it is tight, so it keeps its form. You're gonna roll it just like that and tight, and that's how it should look. And here I made a few more, and this is how they should look at the end. Look how beautiful this tower is. And the last thing we're gonna do, we're gonna taste this beauty. We'll see how good it is. Here we go. It passed the test. You're gonna call me crazy because I slathered it with mayonnaise. Once you tasted it, you'll know that I'm not crazy. This is really good. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends and family. See you next time.